In this video, I take you to Blue Springs State Park. I give you a tour, and I show you the best campsites. We share the best camping locations in the USA.
Hi guys, we hope you enjoy the video.
Check out our RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. Blue Springs State Park is a renowned natural gem in Florida, celebrated for its crystal clear water and abundant wildlife, including West Indian manatees that seek refuge in the warm waters during the winter months. This park offers swimming, snorkeling, canoeing, kayaking, and camping, as well as a narrated boat tour of the St. Johns River. In this video, I'll be taking you to the campground toward the end of the video, and I'm going to show you the best campsites. Well, here's where Blue Spring meets the St. Johns River. It is pretty. St. Johns River is off to the left, and we're going to be walking up the springs. Here are the boat tours. St. Johns River Tours. Blue Springs Adventures. Let's go down the springs and see if we can see some manatee. Hey, here's Mr. Manatee. He's colorful. There are some big fish in there. I think this is a gar right in front. See that gar down there? That is a pretty big fish. All right, let's go down and check this out. Snorkeling and free diving at Blue Spring. Wow, it is pretty. Pretty deep right here. And it shallows out as you approach the far shore. The gentleman just told me that this is the start of the springs. It's called the Boil. You can see the water pumping up from down there. It's beautiful. So this is the end of the boardwalk, and this should overlook Blue Springs as it comes up out of the ground. Yeah, you can see the water pumping up there. The gift shop and a little covered picnic area is right here. And you have a canteen on this side of the gift shop. And let's see, we're right here. And the campground is right up this paved walkway. So let's go check out the campground. Well, they have plenty of parking here at Blue Springs State Park. This is the second parking area that's closest to the gift shop. And here's the footpath that takes us to the campground. I'll only be showing you the best campsites. Folks, those springs were spectacular. I'm almost to the campground. This is a short paved walking trail. It takes you right from the springs to the campground. It's an extra plus if you decide to camp at Blue Springs State Park. So I'm standing in the campground right now. They also have a map up here at the campground. And what I want to show you, it's okay, I'm right here. But this is Blue Springs Run. And this is where the boil is. See, Blue Springs Boil? It's where I showed you earlier in the video. And all those manatee I saw were right in here. And here's the St. Johns River. And back in here is where you can catch the boat tour of the St. Johns River. So right now, we're gonna go check out this awesome campground at Blue Springs State Park. Folks, I'm able to create videos like this because I've visited over 1,000 free and affordable camping locations from coast to coast. Our channel is all about free and affordable RV camping. If you like this type of content, pound the like button and make Melody happy. So I'm walking this campground as you would drive it. I'm standing in front of campsite 19, so you'd be pulling up and then backing in. This is a keeper here, folks. This is a keeper. Would fit my fifth wheel nicely. You got water here. And you're gonna have 30-50 amp electric service. No sewer. You got a picnic table, fire ring. Lots of privacy. That's a look at the campsite. Site 19 going down the book for you folks. I'm not showing you a lot of these campsites because quite a few have a grade, just like this one, site 28. That's quite the grade going up in there. Okay, this is a good campsite, site 32. You can get your rig level on this site. You have water, 30-50 amp electric service. That's your picnic table and fire ring off to the left there. And you can, after you back your rig in there, you can get your tow vehicle off to the left. Site 32 going down the book for you. A nice looking shower house. Well, site 39 right across from the shower house will do nicely. And site 41 is another keeper. Site 41 going down the book. If you have a tiny camper, you have a small camper, this site 23 is a really cute site. You got a lot of privacy back in here. Still 30-50 amp electric service. There's your fire ring, picnic table. You got a slant on this site, but if you have a tiny camper, you'll be able to get your rig level. Site 23 going down in the book for our tiny camper crew. Here's one for you. Site 16 is going to go down the book. That's one sweet site. All paved. You get your rig level. You got water. Let's see what we got here. 30-50 amp electric hookups. There's your sitting area right over here. Nice looking campsite, folks. I gotta say, that's my top pick for this campground. Site 16 going down the book, folks. And it's right across from the second shower house. Right there. Site 15 also going down the book. So right across from the shower house, we have the dump station. There's the dump station. It says water not safe for drinking, but you got water on the site. Hope you got something out of the video. That's why we make them. If you like the video, like and subscribe. And if you do that, we will see you down the road.